Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Tuesday questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi's US visit and said there was a need to first make India strong before expecting investment from abroad. PM Modi's US trip ends. Time to ponder what has the country achieved from his foreign trips so far, Kejriwal tweeted. He said that if we make India strong, investments will come at our terms, else investors will dictate terms. For instance, Chinese first built China and then all corporate giants vied to invest in China. So let's first make India. He also questioned Modi's travel and argued if it suited the stature of an Indian PM to visit individual companies seeking investments.